is Shema, beauty editor for Branded at BDG, and I'm gonna recreate this fun eyeliner look for you. I like to first use a black liner and just get really into those lashes because it helps it look really defined. By doing a neutral color on my lids, this helps the eyeliner really pop. I'm just going to put it all over my lids up to my crease. After I do that, I like to top line my top lid. This just makes sure that there's no white spaces in between my lashes, so it looks really clean when I put my eyeliner on. I do a really thin line as close as I can to my top lash line. This just makes a really nice base to build the colorful eyeliner over. Now we're ready for the main event, and I'm just gonna do it right over that black line. This is the final look. I hope you like it and inspired you to try something new. You can see just one product makes for such a fun look. Let us know what you want to see more of, and I'll speak to you soon.